What's up, guys? We are here today. Everybody's kind of practicing on this little street here. We're gonna hit the streets, but I want to talk to you today about the new cam setup and stuff. I've rode it around a good amount of time, and I wanted to kind of do a small review for you guys. So we're gonna ride around with the guys, enjoy some time. There's Tim. Tim's also gonna ride my bike and basically tell me what he thinks about it later. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks, Kip. There's a girl on her phone freaking at her front door. Hopefully that's not a bad sign. We got a lot of good people with us today too. Big bikes, freaking everything. It's gonna be awesome. Join the mix a little bit here. Yes. So yeah, while there's a little bit of a break, we're going to talk about the cam and ECU setup I got going on. So the top speed went up a lot. So this is not the real top speed because the speedo is off. But the top speed before was about 72 miles an hour. It is now 79 or 80 miles an hour. Sometimes it's kind of different, but it is a lot faster. It is a 10,000 RPM limit. I'm going to be kind of going against Tim later so you can see kind of the difference in power. Gotta get some gas real quick first though. Do you need that? Alright, you ready? Second gear? You in second? Alright, so we're both in second gear. He's pretty much just exhaust. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. So you can see, look at how much faster. I mean, I am absolutely leaving him. I even missed a shift there. I'm gone, and he's probably going to hit rev limiter pretty soon, and I'm nowhere near. I mean, look at this. You see that? So right now I'm going about 74. I could get a little more if I tuck, but Tim's actually keeping up pretty good, but he is having a tuck to keep up. But this cam has provided so much power up high, it is insane. Now for wheelies, on the other hand, it's better for popping it, but it's a little bit harder to maintain the wheelie. Now we're gonna switch real quick just to show the bike, obviously. Same exact setup. Okay, here. All right, so now I'm on Tim's bike. Feels weird, but it's fine. So we're gonna go from a dig. He stalled it. Okay, second gear, ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Look at it go. I mean, it's gone. There's no way I could keep up. I'm going as fast as I can right now, and it just keeps pulling away slowly. So it's not a huge increase, but it's definitely enough to warrant something. I mean, I rode out third a lot right there. He's still pulling away. I cannot keep up. So this is when I would have to go into the tuck to keep up with it. So it's a lot better for the top end, but for wheelies it is a little bit harder to keep it up. If you do know how to wheelie and you know how to maintain it, it's not really any different. But I'll show you that when I get back on my bike again. But you like it? Yeah. Do you wish you had it on your bike? Okay, fair enough. That's kind of what I want to hear. All right, so for popping, it's just as easy. Pops right up, no issue. shift to third, you know. It's really simple, and you can drop it down. You can see I dropped it down there, and I can pick it back up. I messed up there, but it's still not too bad. Like, you could ride around doing wheelies just perfectly fine, but there is a little tiny bit less power when you do bring it down a certain amount. It's kind of hard to get it back up, but if you know how to ride a wheelie, you're not going to have any issues. And for the popping, it's definitely a lot easier. Got an angry car coming up on us. Yeah, he's mad. He floored it to catch up with us. Freaking scraped it. Whoa! That was awesome. I'm like right up close to him. What's up, man? That was good, yes. Egging them on over here. That's awesome though. Of course, it's not really 79 miles per hour. It's probably like 70. That'd be my guess at least. But I do have it geared down, but it's so much top end. If you had stock sprockets, this thing would fly. See you, Joe. He's like, what the hell? He's trying to keep up. Look, there it goes! Bye, Joe! Bye! Ah! We're so close! If he's about it, yep, gonna do. Oh, wrong gear. Hell yeah. Jump it! Go! I'll do it on video.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh! Oh! Oh, he looked over at me and freaked out. Let me go pick up his bike. Gosh dang. You all right?
Yeah, still sick.
Gosh dang, dude.
Turn it off and back on. Turn it off and back on. Chill. We're good. Chill for a minute. You hit hard, bro. You good?
Gosh dang.
Chill, man. Don't even worry about it. Just take it for a second. Alright? Alright. Just chill, man. Hop off the bike, man. Take it for a second.
Man, my heart's beating so fast right now. Dude, that was so scary. I hope he's all right. Like literally I'm shaking. Dude, that was so scary.
You alright?
You all right, man? You okay? I'm sorry, I saw all that happen and I was so scared for you.
Bro. That was...
Oh my gosh.
Just chill out for a minute, dude. Take a seat. Take a seat, man. Relax for a minute. Chill on the hill, man. Take it on.
Dude, I'm like shaking. I saw the whole thing right in front of me.
That was wild. Dude, that's the fastest crash I've seen in a while.
You said that's the fastest crash you've seen.
Yeah. You hit your head when you rolled?
Yeah, right here, man.
Yeah, you hit your head hard.
I didn't cut you off, did I?
Nah, dude, he just
scraped
Nah,
it
y'all were
and kicked
perfect.
out.
He just got a little wobbly. And...
No foot brake.
Gosh.
Yeah, he just scraped it.
Dude, I saw you rip your head. Dude, your head fucking smoked the ground.
Alright, you got like double vision or anything?
Dude, I'm literally shaking because I just saw that right in front of me.
I know I got a little bit of fast as you.
I know I got a little bit of rash, yeah?
As fast as you. You're all right, man. You made up for it. No.
Oh, that's not too bad, man.
How the?
That's not bad for how fast you were going.
Bro, you made it out like a body deep. What about your arm? Dude, you did good, bro. That was fast, man.
My fucking fingers like the only thing that actually hurts right now. They're just...
That's not too bad.
Dude, you made out like a champ.
Yeah. For that going that fast, the best thing you did was roll.
Yeah, man. But when I saw him flip and I saw your head go.
Yeah.
About the truck or there.
Well, I know this is the last thing you want to hear, but I got it on video. He said,
Dude, for what it's worth? Holy shit, man. Fucking awesome. Bro,
Uh,
I can't believe you have skin right now.
time to get a smoke in.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Mark presses don't even look fun.
Dude, look at the scrape marks. Look at the scrape mark. Dude, he went down way out there, came all the way in over here.
And you got footage of it?
Yeah.
Well, dude, focused on the fact that I was
Dude,
That's the first time
what the heck?
Well, I know, dude.
It looks like you wrecked.
Variant life.
I just pulled that
Jesus.
thing off, dude.
Those variants suck, dude.
Pull that off.
Bro, I had seen somebody crash going that fast in a long time.
Bro, I was thinking.
They were moving.
Bro, I was...
All right, that was a very scary crash, but he's all right. Really, he made it out so freaking good for how fast that crash was. We were probably going 55. I'll probably know in the video, but like, that was freaking crazy. Fastest crash I've ever seen, other than my doing 25 crash on the highway. I'm hanging out with the big bikes now. Jesus, dude, his arms don't ever get tired? Alright, well, well, this is the long enough wheelie, so I think we're going to go ahead and end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this cam and ECU combo, definitely let me know. I'll be able to let you know in the comments what I think, or you know, any questions that you might have, like I said. So all right, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Maybe he'll drop it one day. All right, later guys. Are you human?
Yeah.
Okay.
I promise.
I was just like, I don't know. I don't see the antenna.